Hello dear friends, this is the Phone Support channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to tell and show you how to insert a link in your profile description in TikTok. How to do it? Very simple. To do this, go into TikTok. After that, click on the profile icon. Now click on the button, Edit Profile. Here click not on the button Bio, but on the item, Website. You can also add a direct link to Instagram or YouTube. To do this, there are 2 points where you can also add links to these networks. But how do you add a link specifically to a website? You click on Website, and here we write the link or copy and paste it here. After that, click Save. Exit here. Refresh the page and see that our site has been added to the description of the profile in TikTok. All works very well. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye, see you later.